Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the BenQ Zowie EC2-CW gaming mouse. Known for its no-nonsense approach to esports performance, this mouse has been making waves in the competitive gaming scene. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about design. The EC2-CW sports a clean and understated look, which some gamers might appreciate amidst the RGB-laden competition. It's designed specifically for right-handed users with an ergonomic, asymmetrical shape that fits snugly into your palm. The matte black finish feels smooth and comfortable during extended gaming sessions. In terms of build quality, the mouse feels sturdy yet lightweight at 79 grams. It's optimized for FPS gameplay, offering micro switches that provide satisfying clicks and a responsive feel. The side buttons are well placed and easy to reach, enhancing the overall usability. Now, let's get to the meat of it: performance. The EC2-CW shines brightest in competitive FPS games like Counter-Strike and Call of Duty. With a maximum DPI of 3200, it might not boast the highest specs on paper, but in practice, it delivers precise tracking and smooth movement. The low weight and ergonomic design contribute to its accuracy, crucial for those clutch moments in-game. One standout feature is its wireless capability. The included wireless receiver also serves as a charging dock, which not only reduces signal interference but also keeps the mouse juiced up. BenQ claims up to 70 hours of battery life, and in my testing, it held up well across multiple gaming sessions without needing a recharge. Moving on to additional features, the EC2-CW includes a DPI switch and customizable report rates, catering to different gaming preferences. The scroll wheel, though initially firm, offers precise scrolling once you get used to it. It's clear BenQ focused on practicality over extravagance here. So, should you buy the BenQ Zowie EC2-CW? If you prioritize comfort and performance in FPS gaming and don't mind paying a premium for a no-frills design, this mouse is a solid choice. Its ergonomic shape and wireless functionality make it a dependable tool for competitive gaming. That wraps up our review of the BenQ Zowie EC2-CW gaming mouse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product critiques. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this mouse or if there are other products you'd like us to review. Until next time, happy gaming!